this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove header from your Word. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Headers in Microsoft Word are great for organizing and making documents look better. They show at the top of each page and can include things like the title, author name, and page number. Knowing how to work with header in Microsoft Word is important for creating professional documents. But what if you want to delete this header from your Word? It's so simple. So first, you can open your Word document, of course. As you can see, I have a header on my document, like for the first page and also on the second page. If you want to remove it, it's so simple. You can just click on the insert on the toolbar on here. Now you can just choose on header. Then there is an option header. You can just click on that. And you can see there is an option under that. Remove header. You can just tap on that. Tap on remove. So the header on the page that you select has been removed like this. So you can just choose on the page that you want to remove the header. And now you can just tap on the header and tap on remove header. So the header will be removed from that page. It's so simple, right? So if you want to add another header, you can just choose on the add header and choose the header style. So simple, right? So that is how to remove header on your Microsoft Word. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!